To assemble the Metra 306229 dash kit, remove your radio's trim ring. Then remove the DIN sleeve using the removal tools that came with your radio. They slide in between the sleeve and the radio, allowing them to be separated from one another. You'll also use the removal tools if you need to uninstall your radio once it's in your dash. Just slide the tools in from the front and the radio can be removed from the sleeve. Next, slide the DIN sleeve into the opening in the dash kit and secure it in place by bending the metal tabs away from the sleeve with the flat blade screwdriver. Your radio will need to slide into that sleeve, so be sure to bend the tabs out. Check that the sleeve is securely held in place by the bent tabs. Now slide your radio into the sleeve from the front until it snaps into place. Finally, you can snap your trim ring back into place and you're ready to connect your harness and reassemble your dash. If you have any questions, give us a call, chat with us online, or send us an email.